Good morning, students. Today we are going to study about a unique planet. Yes, you all know which is a unique planet. Unique planet. Yes, our Earth, our home. Earth is known as unique planet. You all are aware. Yes, why? Because life is possible on this Earth only. It provides us with a water, oxygen, life on this Earth. Now, Earth is the third planet in terms of distance from the Sun. You all know. You have gone through the table. The total distance is about 150 million kilometers. It ranks fifth in the terms of size after Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Yes, and why it is the unique you all know. It provides us all the things such as water, oxygen, and soil. And these are the important things for life to sustain. Yes, water. Without water, no plants, no trees, and soil is also an important resource. Yes, without soil, no plants would be grown. No plants means no oxygen, no rainfall, and all these things are possible only on this earth. So, earth is very important for the all the life to sustain, and you all know that. For the growth and development of life, water, oxygen, soil are important, and that we get on this earth only. It lies at a suitable distance from the sun. Yes, earth is at a suitable, proper distance from the sun. It is also called blue planet. Why the earth is called blue planet? Because 71% of the earth is covered with the water, and that water appears blue, so it is called as blue planet also. When we see it from space, a photograph, it appears like blue in color. Yes, the 71% of the earth's water appears blue, and some scientists are estimating that even a slight deviation of about 10% either closer or away from the sun can lead to the destruction of life on it. Yes, see, such as management and distribution is that if there is 10% of either closing away from the sun or near to the sun, then it can lead to the destruction of whole life. It moves closer, the earth would become hot, and if it moves away from the earth, it would become cold. So in such conditions, life would perish. If it happens, it is little bit away or near the earth, then it would perish, it will destroy the life. So students, this was about the unique planet Earth. Yes, clear students? Now, the satellite of the Earth. You all know which is the satellite of the Earth? It is the Moon. Moon is the only natural satellite of the Earth. It revolves around the Earth. It completes one revolution in 27 days and 8 hours and takes equal time for completing one rotation on its axis. And like all satellites, the moon does not have its own light and heat. It reflects from the light received from the stars. Clear? And moon has volume that is only 2% of the Earth's volume. So this was about the moon. Now we have the next topic about the asteroids and meteoroids. Yes, asteroids are planet-like bodies which move around the sun between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. These are made up of rocks and metal pieces. The largest asteroids are known as Ceres. Clear students, the largest asteroids are known as Ceres, and their diameter ranges between 700 and 800 meters. Many scientists believe asteroids are broken pieces of planets which could not collide with each other and over time and remain scattered. They are also called as planetoids or inferior planets or minor planets. So this was about asteroids. I hope it is clear to you, students. Okay, asteroids are planet-like bodies which move around the sun between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. Now we move towards the meteoroids. Meteoroids are solid objects, pieces of rock or metal which move around the sun. Its size ranges from sand to a bulldozer size particle. Means from small size to a bulldozer size it can be there. When a meteoroid comes near the earth, it burns away because of friction with the air. Yes, when meteoroids are coming towards the, it gets burned. Why? Because of the friction with the air. Due to friction, they start glowing while moving. They have a star. They leave a star where in actual sense or in terms it is not a star. Now, when the meteor reaches the earth before being fully burned and creates a hollow, it is called meteorite. In the past, the earth has been structured several times by the meteorism. Example, Barinagar crater in Amazon, USA. The size of the crater is 1.2 kilometers across, 200 meters deep, which is supposed to be framed after 4,900 years back. So students, this was about the chapter we have done. So I want everyone to read